ITKWK in the kitchen with Kevin.
Welcome to In the Kitchen with Kevin, episode 2. I'm just going to turn off the vent. What an exciting thing. Today, what we're going to look at doing is we're going to take these lovely sweet potatoes. I've already cut them up into French fry style things. I'm going to put some sort of crap on them. We'll see how it goes. They'll end up looking like this, and then we'll cook them on a stove. Just wanted to note, I did the pleasure of adding, some food crumbs and stuff just to make it look real. Like this isn't just a commercial kitchen. Also of note, real fruit gummies. I mean, it's a great snack. Okay, so what's going on? We're doing some sweet potatoes. So I took these already, peeled them, cut them into wedges. Why? Because I'm crazy. Look at that. It's not even uniform. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares. I want to just show we've got some turkey soup cooking. Those are the turkey bones. For some reason, we had turkey in mid-January because we don't actually like turkey that much, and it was still there. For my sauce, now this is where it gets heavy. This is where it gets heavy. This is where it gets real. I've got random stuff in a bin that we're just going to throw in here. I read online that you should use fecal matter. Oh, no, that's the French version. Cornstarch, that it'll make your sweet potato fries crunchy. Don't care if it's real or not, but everything online is true, so we're going to try it. We've got some olive oil, and we're going to just throw this stuff into a bowl. You'll also notice the sweet potato fries are currently in water, because I also read online that you should put fries in water after you cut them for like a day, so these have been sitting for a day. Ooh, maybe this isn't a good idea. Okay. So let's make the sauce. You'll see we've got some oregano. You'll also see that I'm back to my good cameraman habits of not showing what we're doing. So we're going to add some oregano. You can see I already did this earlier. But whatever, there's some oregano. Hopefully we didn't plan on using that for something else. My wife also said to add basil. So here's the parsley. Beep, 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 beep. Oh man, it's hard to do two things at once because I'm incompetent at most things. So, and of course, I'm going to add cornstarch or fecal matter as I called it here. Classic. Some cornstarch in here because it's supposed to make it crispy, and everything on the internet is true. If the cornstarch is coming, I have no idea how much should be added. And when I got to this point, I realized it's going to be a pain to put this on. So I did a little bit of stirring. Yes, look at that. Look at that amazing stirring. And then I added some olive oil right here. Now, I added the olive oil because my wife said that's what you should do. And she's amazing and intelligent. So I gave it a little bit of olive oil. But then I decided I shouldn't waste olive oil because we're almost out. You can see that. And we'll just throw in some cheap canola oil. No name brand, because that's the only brand I get, or whatever's on sale. So we'll give that a stir. There's nothing wrong with mixing oil, according to me right now. I just made that up. So we'll give that a stir. All right, we've stirred it all up. Lovely. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that smells good. That smells like Hugo Boss scent. For when you want to smell like something, but you don't know what it is. Oh, that's the new cologne my wife got me for Christmas, Hugo Boss scent. So of course, it smells like that because I put it on. So next we're going to take these lovely sweet potato fries, put them on this beautiful pan. Let's do it. All right, so magically, somehow got these sweet potato fries from this bowl of water onto this pan. Now next, this is where the real art happens. You'll notice I've got this brush thingy. It's a paintbrush. It's not actually a paintbrush. It's just a brush. And I'm going to put the seasoning on the fries just like that. Oh, yeah. Let's actually get a picture. Let's get that on camera, Kevin. Now, as you're watching me goop stuff on stuff, that's what it's called. Call this gooping. This is the gooping part. You may be wondering, Kevin, why didn't you do it an easier way? I'm talking, this is art. This is art. And is there really an easier way? Maybe you think you could have just rolled them in it before you set them on the pan. And I would have said, or I put them out on the pan and started doing this. That's what I would have said. So we're just gooping. You just want to be liberal. Boom. Boom. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's just get a shot of that ball. Look at that. Look at that action. You may be experiencing motion sickness while watching this video. I apologize. I put it at 350 because that's the original temperature setting of the oven. Careful of the turkey soup cooking, the bones cooking. So I'm just going to throw these in at 350. I don't know. I think I'll put them in for like 20 minutes, flip them over, and try again. All right. Just a note, I put the sweet potatoes in. I decided not to try to do it while I was holding the camera. On 350, we'll set a timer because we're weird. And then there's one thing that if you know about me, it's I need to drink a whole bunch of water because I sweat too much. So I'm in the kitchen, drinking some water now. Refresh. Water's so important. Drink your water. I wasn't going to video this, but I wanted to show you that yes, I am flipping each fry. Waste of time. And just like that, they are done. Ooh, I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to hold the camera, grab this, and pull it out. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So now we're going to do a little taste test, see how they turned out. All right, this all started with having some extra sweet potatoes from doing Sunday dinner and wanting to have them ready for the kids for when they got home from school. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try some sauces and see how it tastes. I got Mayo Racha. I got it on clearance from Pilos when it was apparent that these weren't selling very well, but it's delicious. I've got cheesy cheddar from Panago. Yes. And I have Italian garlic from Panago. Why do I have these? Because we ordered pizza, I don't know, like a week ago and got more than we needed. Let's start with the Mayo Racha. Whew. That was good. Lovely. More of that normal flavor that you're going to get. Let's go cheesy cheddar. That was good as well. And finally, Italian garlic. You know, Mayo Racha might have won. More of a regular flavor that would go with sweet potatoes. I'm also finding out that pretty much I like dips, and it doesn't matter what they are with them. As for these sweet potatoes, they're good. They taste delicious. The seasoning is what my wife told me to do, and she's amazing, so she knows what to do. They are not crispy, though, at all. Cornstarch was a lie. Anyways, thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Kevin. And look at the plating. What a lovely snack for the kiddos. They'd better like it.